Hi folks, just wanted to do a little update video, show some snow that we got last night. It's not a whole lot, I mean a couple of inches maybe, but you know, it's a big deal for us around here. We'll get a little snow every year, but not very much, and it's usually gone by 9 o'clock or so, you know. So we got a couple of inches last night, I guess, and it's going to stay for a while today. It's been melting pretty steadily this morning, but it's about 3 o'clock now, so it's still pretty. There's still quite a bit around, so I haven't heard of any accidents or sliding or anything like that yet. So I guess everybody's either got hangovers from last night and not driving around, or you know, they finally figured out that, hey, this white stuff's kind of slippery, so maybe we better not be driving in it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start this little slideshow. I hope you enjoy. That's kind of a picture down the street there. Just got the corner of the camper. That wasn't intentional. That's the ex-wife's husband's truck. That's me right behind the truck, and then they've got an old chieftain there on the right side. I guess the campfire tonight is out, and it doesn't look like we're going to be able to use the barbecue pits either. So. That's kind of a shot up the other way, up the street, up the other way. Yeah, I apologize for the phone. It's an old phone, and I was trying to use it to take the snapshots. It doesn't do the widescreen. That's the pottery studio. I wasn't able to get down there, and I'm not sure where this one came from. It was kind of an accident, I think. So can't hardly see anything. But anyway, I guess that's about it. Like I said, I just wanted to show some of the snow that we got last night, and so yeah, hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.